Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today my husband is going to show you how to install these Carhartt seat covers on our Ford Transit van. They have a great fit and the quality is excellent.
This is the Carhartt seat cover made out of the same material Carhartt makes their jackets and coveralls and all. It's sold by Covercraft, and it's considered the SEATSAVER by Covercraft. This particular one is the Carhartt Mossy Oak. You can get them in two other colors. One of them is kind of a brown, the other is kind of a gray. And as you can see, this one here is made specifically for our application, which is the Ford Transit full-size van. And it has the cutouts for the headrests. It has a headrest cover. It has the armrest cover. Comes as a set of two, driver's seat and passenger seat. Seat cover is a slip-on. I've already installed one on the driver's side. This is the back, which has a map pocket, has the rivets like the Carhartt clothing. This is the seat back. This is the seat bottom. This is looking at it from the underside. The reason I'm showing you this is this can be used for the transit van that does not have the armrest. Mine does. So they give you the cutout. It's a patch that you have to cut the stitching off and remove the patch so this can separate and slide over the pivot point of the armrest. On this particular one, the way you remove the patch is from the inside, and I'm being very specific. The stitching that you have to remove is only the black stitching that you see here. If you remove the stitching from the front, you'll lose the bead that's sewn into this for strength and durability. So what I use is a real sharp pointed pocket knife, and then I pick a few of the threads to get it started. And then once you get it started, you can cut from the inside and remove the stitching all the way around. Takes a couple minutes, but as you can see, you do not want to cut these stitches here. You only want to remove the stitches that are holding the patch to the seat cover. And you can see how it's coming out. This is the stitching you want to remove all the way down to the Velcro, where they've got it secured with some extra strong stitching in here. So I'll go ahead and do that and show you the result. You can see where I removed the patch right here. I've trimmed it out. I'll clean up the threads. And then this is what you'll Velcro around the pivot point of the armrest, like so. Then your armrest cover will go on to the armrest and serve this function. We're inside the Ford Transit van, and we're going to remove the headrest first. And you have to pull up a little bit. There's two buttons that release this. One here, so you pull it up and then you release that one, and then release this one, and it come all the way out. Alright, on the headrest, the way I like to install it, I think instruction says to have this at the back, but I like it in the front because it tucks away and hides in the back. Headrest just slides on. You can see this is such a perfect fit. And then the Velcro closure, you just tuck it up in, tuck it on. Headrest is done. Alright, simply slides over. Okay. You can see that this tucks in. Velcro closure right there. This particular one has a tail, a cord, that tucks down in the seat, and the strap will go through and below and pull back up in the front. Version now, every manufacturer is going to be slightly different, but this one here, this will tuck in like so into the trim, which helps hold it in place. And it does the same on the other side. And let me go around there and get that. Snap here. The snap. You remove that. It's just a quick disconnect. You pull your line that you're going to stretch here, and you have to figure out which way to thread this so it will stay. There's only one way. If it doesn't lock and slide, if it doesn't lock, you have to turn it over and go from another direction. Like so. That way it pulls and holds, and when you pull the tab, that's what connects back in. I'll show you. I'll pull it out. That's what connects back to your quick connect, like so, and you pull it until it pulls itself snug, and you have to make sure that it doesn't interfere with any of the seat mechanism. And then you massage it around till you get it to where you want it. Alright, you need to mention on your specific model whether or not you have the side airbags that deploy from the seat itself. On the Ford Transit that we have here, it does have the side airbags, so there has to be a place for them to deploy. And as you can see, there's a panel that opens up, and the airbag can deploy to give you protection when you have that side impact. Your headrest, and remember you got two buttons on this particular model. Every model's different, and there's a front and a back. You get it started, push it down, and then you're going to have to release the button, and that's on. The armrest just slides over. You pull it down snug, and you work it around until you got it on. And it's there. It's done. Seat covers are installed.
Very nice. I'll put the information in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Check out some of our other videos on the Ford Transit van Class B motorhome. Thank you for watching.